Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Beautiful Halloween. Wait, let me do that again. Boo-hoo. Beautiful Halloween. That was the one. You have to admit, that was good. Still got it, I still got it. If you are new to my channel, Beautiful Halloween is my Halloween series where I share a bunch of different glam looks that you can wear for Halloween. They're more on the heavier makeup side. For instance, this is Wednesday, but with a little more glam than she usually has on. Now you might be thinking of Classic Wednesday, but this is the Tim Burton Wednesday from the Netflix series. Jenna Ortega plays Wednesday, and I absolutely loved this look that she wore to the dance in the series. She has this really fun flowy dress. You guys might remember her dance moves. This is actually how I dance. Oh yeah, just like this. I absolutely love this series. I love her makeup because it's a very soft goth. This is the kind of look that you can do with products that you already have in your makeup routine. Really have fun and play with it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to like it and subscribe. Let's get into the tutorial. Starting on a fresh face, we're gonna go in with some primer. This is a blurring primer, and I'm using this to really smooth out my skin and just create a nice barrier between my skin and the makeup. Now I'm going in with the Tier Cushion Foundation. The coverage on this is insane, you guys, so it's very glam. Perfect for Halloween. Just adding a little tint to my brows with some brow gel. This is a volumizing brow gel, so it also thickens up your brow hairs. And now we're gonna go in with the star of the show, which is the contour. This is a contour technique that I like to do for a lot of Halloween looks, where I draw the lines similar to a skull because it really hollows out your face and it gives a very spooky look. So I'm just going in with these two shades to chisel and sculpt and really thin out my face for this look because Jenna Ortega has some killer bone structure. Now I'm just using a powder foundation in a light shade to highlight, and this is like a matte highlight, so I'm going underneath the contour. So the makeup artist from Wednesday actually used a lot of MAC products. There is a MAC contour shade called Sculpt that she used, and this is it right here. I'm just kind of characterizing my face a little bit and chiseling it out like Jenna's, and I'm adding some freckles too. Jenna has natural freckles, so if you don't have some, just add some, and if you do, you're already halfway there. Now we're gonna go into the eye look. She does have a light smoky eye on during the dance scene, so I'm first applying an eyeshadow stick to my lash line and also my waterline and smudging that out. This one is from Laura Mercier. It's called Tuxedo. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow sticks ever. These are some of the MAC shadows that were used on the show. I do have them, but if you're looking for similar palettes, these ones will give you a very similar look. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm gonna be using this one from Give, and I'm taking a black shadow and just smudging it across that eyeshadow stick to really smoke it out and add some intensity. Now I'm also going to take a bit of that shadow and darken up my under eye circles. Now before, when I was doing the foundation, you could totally just skip putting it under your eyes if you want to let your dark circles hang out and have their moment, because this look actually requires a little bit of dark circles. So now I'm going in with this gray sparkly shade, curling my lashes and adding some mascara. Jenna actually is wearing individual lashes in this scene, so I went ahead and applied some on my as well. These are like self-adhesive lashes that you don't need glue for, so they're really easy to put on. They stick underneath your lashes. In the show, Jenna wears MAC Night Moth lip liner with Dr. Pawpaw lip treatment over top. It's like a lip balm. Clinique Black Honey is close enough to this shade, and if you're looking for a drugstore dupe, then try CoverGirl Bliss You Berry. Now I'm just mattifying my skin with a bit of translucent powder, and for a glam effect, make sure you set your makeup, and you can actually go over top of it with a highlighter. This is going to make the highlighter pop even more, and I'm using one of my favorite highlighters. It's from Dior. It's very glittery and it has this opal sheen to it. I feel like it's perfect for this look and just any look in general that you want to make it super glam. Now I'm popping on the wig, and I'm spraying my roots with a black root spray just to conceal conceal my hair under the wig. Another important part about wearing a wig on Halloween is fitting it to your face. So if you have to cut some bangs on it. Here I'm pinning those pigtails, and then I'm spraying my own hair with a bit of that root spray because in the show she has a bit of hair kind of framing her face. And the next step after this is just popping on the costume, and I absolutely love this dress. What do we think, you guys? Hello, I'm Wednesday Addams. What do we think, you guys? I absolutely love it, and this wig has me wanting to dye my hair black. The OGs remember that my hair was black when I started my channel. I love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm gonna link everything that I used, makeup, wig, costume, down below in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.